Good day and happiness life mga ka-life change. So for today's video, ito na nga, nakalabas na tayo. So nandito na tayo sa area. Nasa Strahan na ulit tayo ng 91. Okay. So together, meron tayong activity tayo dito, Christmas party. So ito yung venue. Ito yung gate. Yan guys. So let's go. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Kasi marami tayong kasamahan na nasa loob na. And eto sila. Hello. Yan. Hi.
Vlog ba yan?
Opo. Ito na yung location. So nandito na tayo sa area. Yan guys. Mamaya papakita ko. So pasok muna tayo sa loob kasi magsiset up. Yan. So nandiyan na sila kuya. Nandito maaga kami kasi magsiset up nga for Christmas party sa dito yung event. So yan, meron dala na yung mga backdrop na pan-design. Yan, Christmas theme. So set up na ng ano, set up na sila ng music team ko. Good morning. So yan, pakita ko sa inyo yung area, di ba? So, usual, typical type, Strahan area. Yan, sa 91 po. Yan, so, okay naman yung place. So, see you later, guys. Ayan. So, mamaya maraming taong darating live natin. Okay?
She rushed back and told the family until right left a package for us. Right? Grammar right? Push. I'll go over there right. Now and get it. She said, and left in a rush to across the street to Grandma Wright's house. Father Wright left the kitchen and brought in the Christmas tree and set it up across from the fireplace. Ba't nagkakaroon ng kakulangan siya? Okay. The entire Wright family sang Christmas carols while decorating. Then they had a cross on top branch. They left all the presents under the tree and went across the room to admire twinkling lights. As they different off to sleep that night, the Wright family hope that they had selected all the right presents for their family. Now, I hope you have the right present for yourself, because that's all that is left of our story. Except, Merry Christmas to all of you. Is it that right? Okay na po, pwede nyo na pong buksan yung mga